every college has a library. Okay, you can invest your time on it. Every college is proudly ready to promote you if you are part of the hackathon or win. College will give you the platform to collaborate with the like-minded people. Apart from the syllabus, there are a lot of things outside. Okay, you need to learn, you need to invest, you have to go search, you need to be very open-minded, connect with like-minded people. Whatever you learn today is relevant tomorrow.
Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk Tech. And in each episode, we have someone special from technical background who's talking about technology and much more. And today we are going to have an amazing conversation with Mr. Ayyanar Jeyakrishnan, Executive Director. Hi, sir. It's a pleasure to host you today. And before getting into the technical aspect of questions, I would like to ask you, what is the one thing that took you to the position that you are in today? And can you share us about your career journey?
Let me revive my memory from my college days. Okay, every year there is every year they'll come with the themes: year of knowledge, year of innovation, year of progress. Okay, unfortunately, these three are the topics while I'm at college. Okay, so it's still I'm carrying all those things. So every day I always think, am I progressing? Am I learning? Am I innovative enough on my learning or my approach to the problem? So constantly keep me myself moving. That's one of the main reason I'm here. Okay, I started my career in a humble background in HCL Infosystem. I'm working in a big financial company. So after 18 years of experience, I find these three are still relevant for me to keep me moving to the next level.
As someone who's from a non-technical background, we all know about AI. AI is all in the talks and everybody knows it and everybody uses it. How do you think it's useful to the tech industry?
Okay, I come with a small example. Okay, I was going in a cab with the driver. Okay, and he's non-speak. He's an he speaks a different language. Okay, and someone wrote a phone number with a name in a different language. Okay, and he need to call them. Just I saw it in real time. Okay, he taken a phone, clicked on the Google, clicked on the lens, and he scanned it, translated, and called. It happened in front of me. He barely speak English. Okay, and I understand his language, and I communicating to the people. Okay, so that's the power of the technology. Okay, it is enabling the people at the grassroots level. And the tech industry is moving very fast, and a lot of innovation happening in AI, and everybody, whether you work in IT or non-IT, you will learn AI or you'll be empowered with the AI. Okay, and people from the college, it's highly recommended you understand the basics of AI and think the problem, how the AI can solve the problem. It's always good to be stay relevant.
Okay. So as a fact that you are here today means that you understand the effort and the real-time situation to network. Networking is one of the basic skills that anyone would require, even in any other field, let alone from technical field. So what do you think about networking and what's your take on it?
Yeah, networking is net worth. Okay, people make it short. Okay, and whether you do business or you be a student. Okay, and let me come with the same kind of my real-time story. Okay, I attended one of the college event as a volunteer. Okay, and I came from the non-IT background at my college. Okay, I attended an event as a volunteer. Okay, so I met the people who giving a demo on the project related to IT on the building. Okay, and at the break I'm just seeing what people are doing. Okay, I started understanding what the technologies that really made me inspired to get into the technology. And still I'm connected with few of the people. It's been 19 years. I still connected with one or two people from that stage. Okay,
that's a lot of time.
A lot of time. It happened very accident. Okay, still connected with those people. So that's why I always say, just to be part of the community, tech community, any kind of tech community which you are interested, and uh, be generous enough to offer your knowledge also. So build a network. It's going to be a real network. Okay.
Just a little curious here. What made you choose technical field?
Okay, of course, I have some family background. Okay, in my family, one of the person who came to Bangalore and he established IT industry and he's successful. As all the kids growing up, we always grew some inspiration in your family circle, right? So he is one of my inspiration. He is my uncle. Okay, yeah, I met him last week also. That make me always get into that. Yeah, I taken electronics, but whenever I get a chance, I will sit in front of the computer, even watching that old blue screen, okay, without knowing what it is. But I always want to get into the technology. Still, I'm very passionate on learning. Okay, I feel like my best is yet to come. Every day morning, I always feel like my best is yet to come. Okay, let's always keep these things in the mind. Okay, knowledge, progress, and innovate. Okay,
That's a great way to look at it.
and it's all happened at my college. Okay, not that's why I'm saying if you are at college, you always have a takeaway. Okay, and every day you always feel you need to progress from day one to day two. Okay, and that's definitely take you to the great heights.
So technology is advancing day by day, and there are a lot of people afraid of job loss with the technological advancement. Even with the coming of AI, people feel that maybe I will not be necessary anymore. What's your take on that?
You need to be fly like an eagle. Okay, so eagle don't afraid about the rain. It will be sky above the clouds. Okay, you need to be brave enough. Okay, you need to instill learning, constantly innovating. Okay, being network. It's all come into the picture while you are searching for a job. Job is not the only way. Like 10 decades back, let's take a decades back. Okay, we need to put off some drive, recruitment drive. We go write a technical exam, then aptitude exam, then go for a group discussion and then get placed. Okay, that's okay, it's still happening, but there are a lot of remote jobs are coming to India because we know more the value addition. We are tech centric community now. Okay, and we are adding a lot of value addition to the tech community. Okay, so if you are in a college, you find a problem statement, you can be part of the hackathon happening across the world. Okay, you can part of the Kaggle, you can present the paper, and if you and everything is available in you are part of the AWS community. AWS skill builder have multiple courses online. You can learn, you can invest your time, you build your product, you build your portfolio. You don't need to be do it on the final year. The moment you step into the college, if you heard about the word called community, AWS community, cloud community, be part of it, start learning, and by the end of 3 years or 4 years, you build enough portfolio, you build your own website and your portfolio, you sell yourself in a better manner. Okay, so definitely jobs are there outside. Are we really skilled enough to take those jobs? That's the question here. Okay.
So I feel in every department, inclusion is necessary. So when we talking about inclusion, how do you think it is in technological institutions and departments in terms of women, geography, gender?
Okay, and I feel like technologies, tech companies or the tech places where you can find a lot of inclusion. I am sitting in a hall where we have 100 people. You can name all the state in our country. You can be there. You can see that. You can even you can find some people from other countries. Okay, and come to the women. Okay, I have high respect for the people, women working in the tech industry because they bring a different level of experience to the field. Okay, truly speaking, I have my mentor. My most of the mentor are women leaders. Okay, even in my company and outside of the company, and of course my family make a big impact on my career. Okay, so women play a big role in the tech industry. Okay.
So what are the necessary skills and techniques that we need to know to equip ourselves in the job market?
I would say even a lot of people connect with me for the mentorship. The students, I always say, sir, I really like the technology, but you know what? I don't want to do the coding. Okay, it's like, sir, I want to be a hero, but I don't want to act. I don't want to see in a screen. Okay, it's a very dumb answer. Okay, so you need to learn coding, and it's like again a muscle memory. You need to start slow, keep doing it, be part of it, fail, be in iterative process. You will learn. So coding is a very mandatory skill. And previously you need to be a computer science student to do the coding. Now it's not the same. Okay, you can have your own laptop and you can connect with any browsers and you can start learning the coding. You pick your language of your choice. Okay, whether you want to do the simple HTML or CSS or the JavaScript, or it can be Python if you want. And you are aspiring to be AML, I highly recommend to learn Python. Okay, invest your time. Okay, and gradually within 2 or 3 years you can see yourself a good coder. Okay, so that will take it. Then you need to learn the cloud. Any cloud, take a cloud, any cloud. Okay, if you are part of a college like SGIT, if you are part of the AWS, is part of your integrated with the cloud community, learn the cloud. Okay, they give a lot of offerings. Try to be certified. Okay, and third thing is a lot of events happening across the world. Okay, pick your choice at the time, invest your time and learn. Okay, learn the advanced topics. First time you don't understand, second time you feel like something you are able to understand. Within 4 or 5 iteration you will have better handle on what is what. Okay, so you are learning the coding, you are understanding the modern concept, you are learning the cloud. Trust me, within 3 or 4 years, if you are constant effort, constant progress, you will be in a better space.
I still believe there is this gap between what we learn in our educational institutions and what we work in our workplace. How do you think we can bridge this gap? Can something be done?
Yes. Okay. Colleges enable you in a culture. Okay. So I really don't know what are all the courses I studied in my college on those 3 years, but I learned this three quote always: the year of innovation, year of progress. Okay. So and it enable the culture. Okay, and it's available. Okay. Every college has a library. Okay. You can invest your time on it, and every college is proudly ready to promote you if you are part of the hackathon or win. Okay, so now college will give you the platform to collaborate with the like-minded people. Okay, and apart from the syllabus, there are a lot of things outside. Okay, you need to learn, you need to invest, and program like this, bringing the industry speakers, empower the students to network, learn the new things, have some takeaway, add to their learning competency, and improve from there. Okay, so don't restrict yourself on the books. It's not highly recommended. Even in my college, I never restricted on myself book. I love the libraries. I love interacting with the people. I love watching English commentary. Okay, I come from the background where I studied most of the course, my subjects in native language. I learned a lot of language. My English got little bit improved because of learning a constant commentary. So there are way to improve yourself day in day out. You have to go search. You need to be very open-minded, connect with the like-minded people, be part of the community. Okay, tech community. It's very very important. Whether online or offline, be part of it. Okay.
As we conclude, I would like to ask you one question. What's the one takeaway that you have from the whole career journey that you would like students to know now?
Whatever you learn today is relevant tomorrow.
Okay.
That's my takeaway. Okay, but you need to keep learning what is today, because that's the foundation. Okay, you need to keep learning day in day out. Okay, so never stop learning. Keep yourself. Okay, learn with joy. That's more important. Build a compassion of learning. Okay, and bring it to your routine. Okay, make it in your muscle memory. Whatever, if you're athlete, how you think about muscle memory, bring it to your muscle memory, the learning. Okay, and once you start learning, don't keep it within yourself. Give back to the community. Empower the people. Okay, whatever you missed, you feel like you can give back to the next generation or 10 years or your juniors, do it. Okay, because don't think it's you are spending time without money. It's a real challenge for you, or real self-satisfaction brings to you giving back to the community or giving back to the tech community. Okay.
Thank you so much. That's really impressive, and I'm sure this conversation inspires many students to excel in their own industries. Thank you so much, sir.
All the best. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.